Is there anything better in summer than a Greek salad? The answer is hell no. This is a grilled feta Greek salad. Grab some tinfoil, double it up, put my feta right in the middle, hit it with a good amount of olive oil. This is like a super traditional way to eat feta in Greece. I've never been to Greece, but I have some fresh oregano. Dried oregano would be amazing. Take the sides of this little packet, gather them up to a little present. If it's my birthday, send me this in the mail. Throw it on the grill. All right, so that's gonna go for about 5 to 7 minutes. A little bit of pepper, cut them up, a little bit of olive oil over the top of these. Do need a little bit of salt. Give them a quick little toss. Shiny side down on the grill. A salad is like a song in the sense that there's ebbs and flows and different kind of nooks and crannies, and it should be surprising. If a song was just the same tone the whole time, boring. I've got a zucchini. This is called a mandolin. I'm just gonna really carefully, on the long ways, zucchini on. Fennel, click off the tops, back to the mandolin. Fennel up. We got a little bit of tomato, cut it. Peppers, you can see they're just starting to get blistered, so we'll give them a quick turn. Next up, we've got some olives, little baby red onion. I've got my fennel tops. You know my rules, guys, don't over chop herbs. Lots of olive oil in this thing. You wanna kinda soak it in olive oil. And a little bit of lemon, just a little bit of the juice. Salt, and I'm just gonna toss it through. The feta is talking to us, you can hear it. I'm just gonna chop up these peppers. Get everything ready because the main event is coming right on top of this bed of just like summer sex. It's kind of melty, oozy on the bottom, and that's gonna go right in the middle. And then all that juice. This screams everything you want. For more recipes, head to joelgamoran.com.